My name is Goose, and today we'll be making these gears in FreeCAD and making them rotate. So how we're gonna do it is starting a new file and as a parametric file. We're not going to create a sketch, we're immediately going to add part design, involute gear, and we're gonna leave it at 26 gears, that's fine. We're gonna pad it 10 millimeters. And we're going to create a new body. Just hide this for now. Create a new body. This is important. Then you create part design, involute gear. Let's have this one 13 teeth. So now we have both of our gears ready. We've got gear 1, gear 2. What we need to do is cut a hole in both of them, so it has something to rotate upon. It needs like an origin of some sort. So I will try to find this plane over here on the gear. Oh wait. Just click it, create a sketch, and I'm gonna make the hole 10 millimeters. Then pocket it through all, good, and do the same thing with the other one, the big one. So I'm gonna create a sketch. Firstly, you have to make sure it's active body, and then we can continue. It's always important to know which is your active body. So we again cut it through all, great. Now we have two gears. Let's rename them gear 1 and gear 2. Great. Now we need something for the gears to rotate upon. They can't just be in air, as I understand. So actually, can they? Maybe. Let's try that. No, they cannot. I know. So the gears require some base and a static base, and all assembly needs something static. And for that, I'm going to create a new part. Let's call it, I'll leave it at body, create a sketch on XY plane, and the height must be from here to here, about, let's say 70. Let's make it symmetrical. Not really required, but let's do it like that. And also we need two circles. Let's have them both at 10 millimeters. So one here, one here. Make the top one 50 from the axis. Close it out. Now we're gonna make the stand for the gears. Let's pad it, reversed. 10 mil will be fine. Now we can go back into the sketch and from a single sketch extract what we need. Let's make it, let's say 11 millimeter. Let's go 12. And also let's add a little bit of fillet to them. Now we're ready to actually go ahead to go into the assembly workbench. And you should already have it. If you have FreeCAD 1.0.2, then let's go to the assembly, create a new assembly. And now for the assembly, we need to add objects. So here you will see the button import objects. So we'll have the body, and it's going to ask the ground first, ground part. And we must have at least one in assembly, so this is the base. So let's have that there, and also import our two gears. We can just place them on the side. Currently it's not important. They will snap to their required places now. So firstly, we have to assign the gears where they will be rotating at. So currently they're just floating in there. So first we will create a revolute joint that will snap that gear to that specific cylinder. So now you can see it rotates. let's do the same thing with the other one. You can't click just a face and then a place. It doesn't work. I tried it. And let's do the same thing over here. Great. Now we have two gears, but you see they're not interacting with each other. Let's make that work. So we have to click the gears. This might be a little bit tricky right now. I need to click. Wait. The gear. Okay, yeah, now I've clicked the gear. Circle now for the other gear as well. You can see that it shows up in two lines. You can click one or the other. So now make sure you have selected gear, both gears, and then we can go to the create gears joint. Now we can create a joint. We set our radiuses for both. I'm gonna go with 10 millimeters and 20 millimeters and see how that works out. And seems like it's working. And yeah, how you calculate your gear ratios is up to you. There's ways to calculate that. I'm not going to go in depth now, but yeah, I hope this video you have found it useful, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao.